Welcome back everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to change the photo ratio on your iPhone camera app. This is great when you want to post a photo on Instagram or Snapchat and you want to follow a certain photo ratio so you don't end up with the black bars on both sides. On your iPhone, open up the camera app. Now tap on the arrow at the top or just swipe up. Down below, you should get some extra controls just above your shutter. Tap on the third icon from the left which says 4:3. Now here you have a choice of three sizes: 1:1, which is a square, 4:3, and 16:9. Choose your size and then take a photo. Now using this photo you can easily post it on Instagram or Snapchat and not have those black bars on the side. And that is how to change the photo ratio on your iPhone camera app. If you have made it to the end of this video, then please hit the like button, and most importantly, please consider subscribing to this channel for more videos like this. If you have any other questions, then please do let me know in the comment section down below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.